It's a conversation we've been having and need to continue to have. It's about the demise of Jamaica's male sprinting since the retirement of Usain Bolt. We hear some analysts and some connected administrators trying to comfort and reassure us that Jamaica's male sprinting is still in good hands and we're producing great young talent and we are still in sprint factory and blah, blah, blah. Well, if we are still in sprint factory, the production machine over that side, over the men's side, it's not working. It was some spare parts. Yes. Seriously though, am I the only one who is really worried about Jamaica's male sprinting? I see Jamaica have a 4x1 team around fourth. Fourth in a 4x1? No, sir. I know Jamaica that. And while it is true, we see some talented youngsters at the champs level, but it's like when them leave school, them stunting. And I don't want nobody to tell me about no hurdles, or no shot put, or no discuss, or sprinting me a discuss. Specifically, male sprinting. And look, make no bones about it. It is absolutely because of the level where Usain Bolt set the bar and leave it. But even in that context, we know we're not going to find back another bolt of lightning. But yo, give me a little spark, man. Oh, yes. We're not going to get back the full lightning bolt, but give me a little spark, yes. If we see that little spark, yes, man, something like that, something like that, something like that.